Hey guys, Plunderlock here. Welcome to another video. So today we're gonna be unboxing the Xiaomi keyboard and mouse set. We're gonna have a look at what's inside, and we're also gonna look at the feel of the keyboard and the mouse. We're gonna see if it has a premium feel or not. This is compatible with Windows 10, and I'm not sure if it's compatible with the MacBook, but I'm gonna try that later to see if it's compatible. So just looking around the box, is a plain white box. We have the picture of the keyboard and the picture of the mouse by the side of it, and we have the Xiaomi logo. So most of the information are in Chinese, as I got this from the Xiaomi store in China. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so we're just gonna open this right here. Okay, so first we have the mouse. The mouse is in a protective case. We're just gonna put this to the side, and we're gonna bring out the keyboard itself. Okay, these are the batteries for the mouse. Well, I'm sure the keyboard are gonna have different batteries of their own. Let's take out the keyboard. So this is the keyboard. Just feeling it from, it looks pretty premium, it looks pretty solid. So we're just gonna put this down and see what's inside the box. So there's nothing else inside the box, so we're just going to put the box to the side, and we're going to take the keyboard out of its case. So here we are. It has a pretty nice feel. Okay, so let's take the mouse out of the case as well. We're just having a quick look at the mouse and keyboard set. So as you can see, we turn it on here and off. So this is a spot for the battery, and also this is a USB type A to connect to your computer. So we can put this to the side. And just looking at the keyboard at the back, yeah, we have the battery slot here. Let's just open that. Yeah, let's open that up. Okay, so it uses one battery. Also the mouse uses one battery, which is pretty cool. Okay, so just looking at the general feel, it looks pretty nice. Let's put one of the batteries in. Okay, so we got the battery in, and when the battery went in, we had the lights here come on from the number lock, the caps lock, the scroll lock, and the battery indicator. So this looks pretty good, feels really solid. Actually, I like the feel. It feels mechanical, but it's actually not. So I am gonna use this for a while, and I'm gonna review it, and I'm gonna let you guys know if it's good or not. But overall, just looking at the feel and typing on it a little bit, it feels really good and looks really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing and a look at the Xiaomi keyboard and mouse set. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys very much.